Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 27th of August, 2024. Indian equity indices ended on flat note amid volatility on August 26. At close, the Sensex was up 13.65 points or 0.02% at 81,711.76, and the Nifty was up 7.20 points or 0.03% at 25,017.80. Top Nifty gainers were SBI Life Insurance, Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj Finserv, Shriram Finance and HDFC Life, while losers included HUL, JSW Steel, Titan Company, Tata Motors and Grazim Industries. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Zee Entertainment Enterprises Limited share price jumped as much as 11% today, August 27, after the media firm said it has entered into an agreement to settle all disputes with Sony regarding the termination of merger. In the afternoon trade, Zee stock jumped to an intraday high of 154.9 rupees, before cooling off to 147.7 rupees, still up about 10% from the previous close. As part of the settlement, the companies, Zee and Sony Pictures India, have mutually agreed to withdraw all respective claims against each other, in the ongoing arbitration at the Singapore International Arbitration Centre, and all related legal proceedings initiated in the National Company Law Tribunal, NCLT, and other forums, Zee Entertainment said in a statement. Earlier, in January this year, Sony Pictures India terminated a proposed $10 billion merger deal with Zee Entertainment, calling off a December 2021 agreement. Sony also sought a $90 million termination fee on account of alleged breaches by Zee Entertainment of the terms of the merger agreement. Shares of CESC Limited surged over 8% on August 27 to hit an all-time high of 206.27 rupees on NSE after several brokerages shared bullish calls on the power utility stock. Investec remains positive on power stocks including CESC, NTPC and Nox Wind, citing strong power demand and a positive earnings outlook. Power generation saw an 8.3% year-on-year increase in July, driven by robust power demand. This surge led to a higher plant load factor for coal, gas, nuclear, and renewable energy segments, said Investec in a recent note. Additionally, coal dispatches to the power sector increased by 25.7% year-on-year, reaching 65.5 metric tons. The brokerage expects healthy earnings growth for power companies like CESC, given all these factors. CESC is attractively positioned, given steady and low-risk earnings from regulated standalone operations at Kolkata and Haldia distribution businesses, and options value of incremental earnings from the distribution franchisee in Rajasthan with a strong balance sheet. Additionally, the company's plans to invest in 3 gigawatts of RE assets and set up a 10,500-ton annual green hydrogen production facility also bode well for the performance. We see substantial re-rating potential for the stock post the commissioning of 3 gigawatts renewable energy capacity. In the last 12 months, the counter has zoomed 150%, more than doubling investors' capital. In comparison, Nifty delivered returns of around 27% during this period. Shares of KFIN Technologies surged over 10%, reaching a new record high of 1,111 rupees apiece on August 27, driven by heavy trading volumes and a promising business outlook. Approximately 4.6 million equity shares were exchanged on both the BSE and NSE during intraday trading, significantly exceeding the one-week average of 0.7 million shares. Year-to-date, KFIN Tech shares have more than doubled, soaring over 126%, far outpacing the Nifty 50 benchmark's 15% rise. In its financial year 2024 annual report, KFIN Tech outlined its ambition to become a global fund administrator, aiming to reduce reliance on the domestic capital market. Over the next 5 years, the company expects its non-domestic mutual fund business to contribute 45 to 50% of total revenue. Additionally, value-added services revenue is projected to increase from the current 6% to 12 to 15% in the same period. Over the last 5 years, KFIN Tech's revenue from operations has grown at a compound annual growth rate of 13.7%, while profit has increased at a 25% CAGR. Operationally, EBITDA has grown at a 20.4% CAGR in the past 5 years. The number of clients increased to 6,071 in financial year 2024, up from 5,363 in financial year 2023, while the number of folios rose by 13% year-over-year to 124 million in financial year 2024. KFIN Tech operates as a technology-driven financial services platform, offering a range of services and solutions to the capital markets ecosystem, including asset managers and corporate issuers. Its investor solutions include data analytics, digital onboarding, fund accounting, and processing for alternative investments, mutual funds, and insurance investments. Shares of DATAMATICS Global Services was locked in 20% upper circuit on August 27 after the IT consulting company announced a partnership with global tech major Microsoft to build its own Copilot solutions focusing on process automation to accelerate business transformation. The shares of the company continued its upward trend as they were trading 20% higher at 673.2 rupees quote on NSE at 13:04 p.m. The stock opened at 563.45 rupees before touching day's high of 648.95 rupees on the stock exchange. The Mumbai-based firm has launched a partner onboarding Copilot available on the Microsoft Teams store, which integrates Azure OpenAI with DATAMATICS' intelligent automation platform, the company statement said. The firm will advance its Copilot innovation and maximizing potential by providing unique solutions to each organization with Microsoft 365 support, the statement said. DATAMATICS Global Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 673.20 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 3.553 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average, 586.34, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 67.95. DATAMATICS Global Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 325.29 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 2.242 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 267.13, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 83.10. UCL Limited in daily time frame is trading around 200.73 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 844.865 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 173.29, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.77.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.